Find a comfortable position that supports your body fully. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and release it slowly through your mouth. You are here on this sacred evening of December 28th as the year gently releases its final days. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. Your body is an extraordinary vessel of healing, carrying ancient wisdom in every cell. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present in your physical form. Starting at your root chakra at the base of your spine, breathe in deep red healing light. Feel it spreading through your bones, your blood, your very foundation. This light carries the earth's nurturing energy, supporting your body's natural healing abilities. Float upward to your sacral chakra, allowing warm orange light to flow through your hips and lower abdomen. This healing light bathes your reproductive system, your digestive system, all the organs that process and create. Feel stagnant energy dissolving, replaced by vibrant wellness. Rising to your solar plexus, golden yellow light radiates through your stomach, pancreas, liver, and all digestive organs. This light strengthens your metabolism, supports your body's natural detoxification processes. Feel this area filling with vitality and balance, expanding into your heart center. Emerald green light flows through your heart, lungs, and circulation system. This healing frequency harmonizes your heartbeat, deepens your breath, and supports your immune system. Feel your blood carrying healing to every cell. Ascending to your throat chakra, sky blue light soothes your thyroid, throat, and respiratory system. This cooling energy brings balance to your endocrine system, supporting your body's natural hormone production and regulation. Moving to your third eye chakra, indigo light flows through your brain, pituitary gland, and nervous system. This frequency calms neural pathways, releases tension, and supports your body's pain management systems. Feel deep relaxation spreading through your mind. Through your crown chakra, violet light streams down, connecting you to universal healing energy. This divine light flows through your entire nervous system, bringing harmony to your body's electrical impulses. Now visualize healing white light, like moonlight on fresh snow, descending through your crown. This light carries the accumulated wisdom of the year, all you've learned about your body's needs and rhythms. Watch as it flows down through each chakra, awakening your body's innate healing abilities. The white light meets your breath, becoming a healing mist that flows through your bloodstream. With each heartbeat, it travels to any areas of discomfort or tension. This mist knows exactly where healing is needed, carrying relief and restoration. Feel this healing energy flowing through your joints, loosening any stiffness. It seeps into your muscles, releasing tension. It surrounds each organ, supporting its optimal function. Your body knows how to heal, and this energy amplifies its natural wisdom. As we stand in these final days of December, your body holds the story of the entire year. Every challenge has brought wisdom. Every discomfort has taught you something about your needs. You're learning to listen more deeply, to honor your body's messages. The light continues to flow, reaching every cell. Each cell awakens to its own healing potential, remembering its blueprint of perfect health. Your body is not broken or failing. It is constantly moving toward balance and wellness. Feel the healing light pooling in any areas that have known pain or illness. It doesn't fight against discomfort, but rather surrounds it with loving attention. Your body responds to this gentle approach, softening, releasing, restoring. Notice how your breath has deepened, how your muscles have relaxed. Your body is drinking in this healing energy, using it to repair and rejuvenate. As the year draws to a close, you're giving your physical form this gift of deep restoration. The white healing light now pulses with your heartbeat, creating waves of wellness that flow from your core to your fingertips and toes. Each wave carries away tension, fatigue, and discomfort. Each wave brings fresh energy, vitality, and strength. Imagine this healing continuing through the night as you sleep, through tomorrow as you move through your day. Your body is always working toward wellness, always seeking balance. You're simply amplifying its natural healing abilities. Take a deep breath in, feeling the fullness of your restored body. As you exhale, feel yourself fully present in this moment. Your body is wise, resilient, and constantly renewing itself. You carry this healing energy with you into every moment. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, awakening to renewed vitality. Open your eyes to greet your world with restored energy, knowing that your body's healing wisdom is always active, always working toward wholeness.